When you do by yourself, children, you will do better. Joshika, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yes, again and again I'm telling about the assignment. Don't be in a hurry to do all rubbish. You learn properly, you go through all the worksheet, you go through the textbook, then start answering by yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want anyone, everybody. This is for everyone. I don't want anyone to help you. So after Jan 25th, you can start writing it and send it slowly. But all the 3 assignments should be sent together. I won't correct if you send one by one. Okay. And you must write neatly and send it, because sometimes principal ma'am will be correcting the test. Okay, ma'am wants to see how you all are doing it. And I don't want anybody else to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, to everybody, not only Joshika, everyone. Some children got very good handwriting. Joshika and all will write neatly, I know that. Okay, now, let's see what we are going to do today. Yesterday, we were just asking the time, what time? I just showed you certain clocks with shorthand and longhand, and I asked you to say the time. You all said it correctly, and I made you all draw it. Now, Rida, can you tell me what does the shorthand tell? Shorthand of the clock. It shows what? What does it tell? Rida? I asked you a question. Tell me about the shorthand on the clock. Others please don't. Yeah. It shows what? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. John Matthew, can you tell me? See, Rida, when we ask questions, I don't want anybody to disturb behind. Okay, please tell them. Okay, ma'am. John, can you tell me about the shorthand on a clock?
Shorthand, ma'am.
Time, huh? Yes. Trideep, tell me, Trideep. John, when you speak, please speak with life, John. Louder. Okay. Now, Trideep,
Okay,
can you
ma'am.
tell me? John, can you tell me about the shorthand? No. Trideep, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. The shorthand shows the hour.
Yes, R. Very good. It's not R. Very good. He said R. Correct. H is silent. It shows the hours. 12 hours on a clock. Now, what about Virti? What about the long hand on a clock? Virti, can you tell me about the long hand? Virti, stop eating, please. What about the long hand on a clock?
Yes, ma'am.
It shows what?
Ma'am, long hand
Shows, it tells about what?
ma'am?
Virti, you listen, okay? Stop eating and be in class. Okay, be attentive. Now, let me see. Yes, tell me. Tell me about the long hand on a clock. See, when you are in class, please tell your people in the family not to walk about and cleaning and all that, please.
Ma'am, long hand
Shows?
Ma'am, long hand show the
12, it seems. Jane, can you tell me, Jane? Tell me about the long hand.
Long hand shows minute and small hand shows
very good.
Hour.
See, it shows minutes. It's not 12. It shows minutes. Okay. And there will be a thin needle. Okay. Insert in some clocks. That shows the seconds. That shows the seconds. Yes. Okay, now don't turn on your mic, please. Well, let's see what we are going to do now. Yes. Please write 2121 in your classwork note. Please write the date in your classwork note. 21, 20-1 is enough. Yesterday, we wrote time. Hands were there and we wrote time. Now, we are going to draw the hands for the time given over here. Write the heading in a new page. And like yesterday, you have to do the same thing. Don't leave any squares first. Okay. Draw the hands for the clock. Please write the heading. Draw the hands for the clock. Neatly write. Children, I won't be waiting for everyone to complete everything because you have to be fast enough to do it. Nothing else. You have to do the clocks. You have to draw. Don't write the time, how it's written here, children. You can draw the clock first and write the time down. Okay. Then you will get 2 more columns here. Please leave only 1 column and draw the clock here. Don't write the time there. Write the time just below. Did you understand, children? Yes, Cyrus, can you tell me where should you write the time?
We should write
below.
We should write the time below the clock, ma'am.
Yes. And how many squares you have to leave? Only 1.
1.
When you start, only 1. Don't leave any squares. Start from the second one. Come on, do this clock. Start drawing it. See here? You can put the dots like this. From here. Don't leave any square. Only 1 first. Then 1, 2. You just imagine this as your margin. This is your margin. This one. Just look at the clock. Sorry, just look at the screen over here. This is the margin. Then leave only 1 square. Start putting the dots first. And draw the clock. I want to see the clock. Yes. Mark all the numbers. Don't draw anything before I could ask you. Slowly, neatly. Sanjay Krishna, where are you? I can see only the fan over there. Virti, adjust. Okay, Sanjay, I saw you. Tarush, where are you, Tarush? I'm just watching children. Oh, many children. Camera is off. I don't want to tell the names. I'm putting mark for the children, those who are on the screen, all the time when I take class. They will get mark. Because when you're leaving the camera and going, you're doing something else. Please draw neatly. Okay, Tarush, what happened?
Ma'am, my camera is broken.
Okay, it's work. Come on, just draw the clock neatly. I want to see John's clock. Okay, Tarush. John, after drawing the clock, show to me.
Okay, ma'am.
When you finish, John, you must tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Getsia.
Yes, Getsia. No, Getsia, I don't want to see. Please don't tell like that. Everybody will show. 1 minute. I want John to complete it. Okay, wait. Let John complete and show to me. Otherwise, Getsia, everybody will be telling. Okay. 1 minute. Complete that. Don't show the hands. Trideep, don't show Trideep. Everybody one by one showing. Just let John complete and show to me fast. Certain children are not doing the work, that's what. See how long I'm waiting. I won't be able to call everybody like this.
Ma'am, I'm doing it, ma'am. I'm with you, ma'am.
Virti, no need to turn on your mic. Next time anyone turns on your mic, I will just remove you from class. Okay, because I'm just waiting for John to complete that because he's not doing it. John, hurry up. Now, Cyrus, show me a notebook. Cyrus, only the numbers. Let me see when other children can do. Why can't you do, John? Hurry up. Cyrus, gets here, show me. Cyrus, little down. Cyrus, on the dot you have to write, okay? Each square you have to use, okay, to draw. Okay, now. Come on, John, show me. John, I won't be able to call all the time. Okay, gets here. Okay, gets here. Please do it fast. Manu, not turn. Please don't turn on your mic, Manu. No need. Did I ask you? No. John, see this. John, I told you, please erase it. I told you, leave one square and draw the clock. Below the clock, write the time. Why we showed like that on the screen? Because I wanted you to see the big clock. Time should be written down. Jemima, show me your clock, Jemima. He's not listening. Yes, good. Very good, Jemima. Write the time below. Jemima, you see how it is drawn that. 1 minute, I'll show you. See your children. Exactly like this. See, just draw like this. And each dot you write the time. Each dot you write the time. It will look nice. Here, 7, just here, 6 on the dot. Okay, draw the hands for the clock. Now I don't want anybody to turn on your mic, and this time should be written down. 3:15. Don't tell that because I wrote over here. You can write. I want you to write it and I want you to see it clearly. I wrote there. So please write the time down. It will be better. Now draw the hands for the clock. 3. Always take the first one. 15. See, children, 15 means here 5. This is 10. This is 15. Okay, now Ritik, Pranav, can you tell me where should I draw the shorthand? Ritik? Yes. Shorthand towards which number?
3, ma'am.
Very good. And long hand also towards which number? Little, yeah. Listen, 15. 15 will come here. Yes, very good. Very good. Now listen, children. This is the multiplication table of 5. Fully. 12 5s are 60. 60 minutes make an hour. So here it is 5. Here it is 10, 15. Let's see how to draw. 3, just below 3, because here you have to draw exactly like this. Half the size of the long hand. Half. Please draw neatly. Use your scale. And children, I want you to touch each dot and draw the clock so that that will be straight. And I don't want a square or rectangle. You have to join these two like this. You have to put the dots. First day we taught you. Next time you have to write down again. Only leave one column and draw the clock. Please leave a line. Don't write here. John, write this time down. You got enough one more place. 2:30 should be written here. No need to write 1 and 2 and all that. You may make mistake. When you write 2, you will write like 22. Don't do it. Only write the time. No need numbers. Judah, show me your notebook, Judah. Yes. Yeah. Do it. Do it. Very good, Judah. Leave one square and start putting the dot. Cyrus, show me your notebook. Cyrus. Closer to the screen. Cyrus. No, I cannot see that clock, Cyrus, left side. Cyrus, do it on the next thing. And write the numbers clearly. That 6 is gone one side. Cyrus, each dot you have to put the number. And take only 3 columns. Okay. Once again, I'll show you. Okay. See, children. Each square. 1, 2, 3. Then come down. 1, 2, 3. Put dots over there. And write the time down. Do it neatly. $2.30. Now, after teaching all these things only, I will start asking questions. Not now. Now, Sai Vasavi, help me to draw the hands. Sai Vasavi. No. Not there. I don't know why she's not attending the class. Dhruv, can you tell me how to draw the hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, where should I draw shorthand in between the numbers?
The shorthand in 2.
2 in between, because it's 2:30. In between. See, look at the clock. Okay, Dhruv. Not on 2, because after 2, which number comes? Between those two. After 2, 3 comes. So, in between. See here? In between 2 and 3. You can keep the scale like this here and draw in between. Now, Dhruv, tell me the long hand.
Ma'am,
Long hand.
The long hand in 6.
Just towards 6. Good.
Ma'am, please see, ma'am.
Who?
Rida, ma'am.
Rida, 1 minute, Rida.
Okay.
Why did you call me? Rida, please, Rida. That clock is wrong and keep it down. It has to be straight to the first clock. And don't show now. 1 minute. You start showing everybody. I don't know why these children are behaving like this. Be good children. How it is shown. See, somebody else is helping you. That's why you are making mistake. Please use your hand. Who's drawing for you? Rida? She is folding the hand. Who's drawing for you the clock? Tell me. No, Rida, I'm just going to give you nicely. Because you're folding the hand, somebody else is doing it. Just look at the clock, I'll show. See the clock on the screen? Both the clocks, how neatly it's drawn. You just left somewhere and you drew. No, you have to draw. Keep your notebook in front of you. I want to see your table. Erase that and do it. Straight to that. Straight to the first one. Yes, Dhruv, show me your notebook. How many times I'm telling the parents not to help them out because they have to learn. Yes, Dhruv. Cyrus, everybody gets here, finished doing, no need to show. Yes, do it through. I'll wait. Someone else is doing and they're showing it. Children will not learn. John, show me your notebook, John. We are explaining clearly over here. Ritik, can you show me, Ritik? John, what you have done, please show John. Then only I can tell you. Where is the first one, John? I cannot see John. Show me, don't get scared. Come on. Little up. Show me. First one. See, John, I told you not to leave any line in front because you won't be able to draw. Next time you don't do, okay? Next clock, third one, you start from the second square down.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, let them see, children. This is your margin. Leave only one square and do it. And you can leave 2 squares in between, no problem. Then do the next one. Why are you drawing together? After the margin, don't leave any line. Start from the next square. I know that it will be difficult for you to understand, but still you must learn because some children are doing it well. Okay, now this is 2:30. You can write the time down. I just want you to draw all the 4 clocks together. That's why I am doing it like this. Yes, 7:45. You can leave here in between 3 columns and start this. Here only 1 column left. Leave 3 columns and do. Because on the screen I cannot leave 3 columns. In your notebook, leave 3 columns. Ritik, what happened to your camera, Ritik? In your notebook, leave 3 columns and do. Where's Johan Thomas? Rida, what are you doing, Rida? Simply sitting, how will you draw the 3rd clock?
You are. What do you see?
If I draw, you're saying wrong, ma'am.
Please do it fast, Rida. Come on, you do your work. You don't, see, if you want to erase something, you do it. Why are you making others do that? Take out your notebook. Please do it.
No, ma'am. She not to draw, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm
please,
a grandmother. I'm not trying.
No, ma'am, let her do it. Let her do it.
If I have, what is the use of studying, ma'am?
Ma'am, let her do it, ma'am.
She's only doing, ma'am.
Okay, then give the notebook to her, please.
Yes, I'm seeing. I'm watching her.
Okay, good. It's okay, you can watch. Okay, show me the 3rd clock, Rida. Good. You can do it by yourself. Show me the 3rd clock. Okay, do it, Rida. I'm not going to ask you anything. You can do it by yourself. Okay, good girl. Getsia, show me the 3rd clock. You start drawing it, you just show me. I just want to see whether you are leaving 3. Very good. Very good, children. You don't need anybody's help. Leave 3 columns and do it. Sri Mugilan, show me your notebook. Third one, Sri Mugilan, where are you? Judah, did you complete, Judah? Only those children, those who are there, I'm calling because when I'm calling other children,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 7:45, Judah. Tell me, how should I draw the hands? Parents can tell them,
Yes,
but not doing in the notebook. Okay. Yes, Judah.
My hand must be
1 minute.
7.
1 minute, Judah. Now, it is 7:45. Always you see first, okay, the time 7. And it has to be somewhere between 7 and, because after 7, 8. Now, you just see, okay, it should not be Sorry, this is 45. In between 7 and 8. And the long hand, Judah, tell me long hand should be where? On 9, because 9 5s are 45. Ma'am will show you another clock, not tomorrow, next time, Friday, how to do. Yes? Excuse me, I don't want anybody to turn on your mic. Anyone, because I'm taking class. I don't want anybody to answer now. Judah finished, that was over. Now, 7:45, next clock. 8 o'clock. I need children to answer, nobody else. So now don't answer anybody. I don't want anybody to answer. You just draw the 4th clock. I will ask question. Just draw the 4th clock. Now here, in between 7 and 8, you can just move this shorthand little more this side. Okay. And 45 means on 9. Ma'am will show you Friday another big clock with all the numbers, and that is these numbers that represents the table of 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, like that. So 12 5s are 60. 60 minutes make an hour. Now 8 o'clock. Let me see. 8 o'clock. Sri Mugilan, show me a notebook. Where is it? I cannot see. Please show the clock. Where is the third one? Little up. Now, left side. Now, keep that book on the table and start doing it. I want to see your table, not that you are going lying down. Yeah, good boy. I can't see the table, Sri Mukilan. Show me your table. I want to see each child write. Show me your table where you are sitting and keeping the book and writing. Yeah, John Matthew, I can see. Do it, John. Okay. 8 o'clock. 8.
Ma'am?
No. Sri Mukilan, tell me. I can only see your face, not the book. Okay.
Ma'am, the table is signing table, ma'am.
No problem. I want to see you doing the work. See, 3rd standard onwards, they will be sitting and they'll be writing, and all the teachers will see them writing. I want to see you writing, doing the work. Manu, can you tell me how to do this?
Which ma'am?
The 4th one. Where should I draw shorthand?
In 8, ma'am.
Towards 8. On. See there? 8. You can keep the scale over here on 8 and draw this. So it will come straight. And what about the long hand, Manu?
12, ma'am.
Very good, Manu. All the time should be written down, and you have to leave 3 columns here and draw. Very good, Manu. Now don't worry. I will come back to you. Yes. Dhruv, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute, children. When you're free, you can draw or you can use a clock and find out, like, okay, you will get like cardboard one time, like 1 clock. You can see the time and you can keep shorthand and longhand and do everything. Okay. Children, you have to learn how to draw hands for the clock, how to write the time. Okay. And for test, ma'am will give you time alone, 1 test with the, I will ask you to draw the clocks. Okay. Now, those who have completed, you can just close the book, notebook, and whenever you're free, you must learn. Now, 1 means 5, 2 means 10. Okay, 10 means you have to show the long hand on 10. Only by seeing the picture, seeing the clock, you can do. Yes, Cyrus, All are very good. Now, I only special class time, I will ask you. Okay, now 1 minute. I don't want anybody to disturb me. I have to enter the next class. You can leave the class. No telling thank you.